Good morning students. Today we will start a new topic. The name of the topic is triangle. Is it triangles? Okay, today we learn the name of the triangle. Name of the triangle is based on two bases. First base is that based on side, okay, and second is based on angle. Based on angles, based of side and based of angle, it's the name of the triangle. There are relation between sides according to name of the triangle, and relation between angles is the name of the according to angles. The base of the side is the first angle is scalar triangle. Scalar triangle. Scalar triangle. First we will view base on side, and second part is based on angle. Okay, scalar triangles, the base. Okay, the definition of scalar triangles: a triangle having all three side. How many side? Three side is unequal. A triangle having all three side unequal sides. Unequal sides is called scalar. It's called scalar triangles. Okay, scalar triangle, first name is scalar triangle. A triangle having all three sides. See, in a triangle is a three side. That triangle is all three side is unequal. It's called the scalar triangle. That shape is this type of triangle. Suppose 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and 1 centimeter. The side, the triangle of A, B, and C, that the length of the side is first is a 1 centimeter, second is a 2 centimeter, and third is a 3 centimeter. That all sides are not equal. It's called this type of triangle is called the scalar triangle. Okay. Second is isoscalar triangle. Isoscalar triangle. Isoscalar triangles is this type of isoscalar triangles. That isoscalar triangles, all triangle having all three side. This is the isoscalar triangle having any two sides are equal is called isoscalar triangle. Isoscalar triangle. This type, suppose a triangle, okay, and triangle A, B, and C. The side of AB is 4 centimeter and AC is a 4 centimeter and this is a 5 centimeter. The two sides AB equal to AC. The side length is 4 centimeter. It's this type triangle is called the isosceles triangle. Another diagram. Suppose the 3 centimeter. This is the 3 centimeter, and this 4 centimeter is A, B, and C. This means AB equal to AC is 3 centimeter, and BC is equal to 4 centimeter. The two sides are equal. This type of triangles are the isosceles triangles. And third is a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is equilateral triangles. We'll write it. Equilateral triangles. Equilateral triangles. Triangles having all sides. A triangle having all equal side. All equal side is called, this type of triangle is called the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Okay, these are three names of base on only side. That's the one examples. That suppose their all side is 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. The triangle of ABC, the all sides are equal. It's AB equal to BC equal to CA is 5 centimeter. This type of triangle is called, the name of the triangle is equilateral triangle. It's mean the triangle is name of the triangle on according to base of the side. There is scalar triangle, isosceles triangle, and equilateral triangle. Scalar triangle is a triangle having a all three unequal side, means the three sides are, the measurement of three sides are not equal. Yes, we will write that AB is not equal to BC and not equal to CA. Okay, all sides are not equal. And second is the isosceles triangle, a triangle having any two sides are equal. It's called the isosceles triangle. This is a triangle of ABC and two sides is 4 centimeter and third side is a 5 centimeter. That AB is equal to AC is 4 centimeter. And second diagram is a downside and upside is two sides are equal is 3 centimeter, and last side is 4 centimeter. It is not equal. And third is a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, this all the in triangle is a three side, in all three sides are equal. Its types of triangle is called the equilateral triangle. Okay, now second is based on angle. It is a based on the angle. Based on the angle means the name of the triangle in based on angle. So first name is accurate angles. Accurate angles triangle. Okay, accurate angles triangles. This means if each angle is less than accurate angle is less than 90. So each angle of the less than 90, then the triangle accurate angles triangles, if each angle is less than Each triangle is called accurate angled triangle. Okay, each angles, if each angle is less than 90 degree, then the triangle name is called accurate angle. Then the diagram is the triangle of A, B and C. That suppose is the 60 degree, is also 60 degree, and this is the 60 degree. So all angles with less than 90, it's called the which type of triangle? Accurate angles. Okay. Now second angles is, you understand which type? Right angles. Second is a which type of? Right angle. RIGHT, right angle. Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Okay, this is the name of right angle triangle. It's mean the one angles. If any one angle, if any one angle is how many? 9. If any one angle is a right angle, okay, if any one angles in the right angles, then the triangle is called right angles triangle. Okay, if any one angle is a right angles, then the triangles is called the right angle triangles. Now this type of diagram, suppose it is the right angles and touch the line, the triangle name is A, B and C. So that angle of B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, name will be changed. Suppose your diagram is this and name is CBA. Here angle of C is equal to 90 degree. Okay, and third is a which type of angle? Third is a absolute. Third is absolute angle and triangles. Okay, this is the third name is absolute angle triangle. Absolute angle triangles is the third, is opposite of accurate angles. Accurate angles is means if each angle is greater than how 90, then the triangle is called which type? Absolute angle triangle. Okay, this complete the name of the triangles. Revise this type of diagram. Suppose is the baseline and your triangle is, this is the angle, this type of triangle A, B, C, that B is greater than 90. Okay, suppose B angle is greater than 90. Okay, so three names on based on the side and three name of the based on angle. Okay, the accurate angles triangles, right angle triangles and absolute angles triangles. Right accurate angle is if any angle is less than 90. Okay, and second right angle if any one angle is 90 is called the right angle triangle, and absolute angle if each one, here is a if each one angle, okay, each one angle is greater than 90, then the triangle is called the absolute angles. Start the exercise 5.6. 5.6 is according to based on name of the triangle. Okay, then we name first exercise, first question, name of the types of the following angles. Name of the following types of following angles according to given the information, you write the name of the triangle. That the first triangle is triangle ABC. In the AB is 8.7, AC is equal to 7 centimeter and BC is equal to 6 centimeter, है ना. Okay, that in triangle ABC, AB, AC and BC is a side of given name of the triangle. It's a rough diagram will be draw that A, B and C, the given AB is a 8.7 and AC is equal to 7 and BC is equal to 6. All sides are not equal. Okay, the name is a first type of scalar triangle. The name of the triangle is scalar triangle. Okay, now second is a triangle with the length of side 7, 8 and 9. They are similarly question. In a triangle is a length of, suppose is a triangle, they are not given the name but side given the 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Again will be three sides are not equal, no any relation will be three sides. Then this name is the same answer is scalar triangle. Okay, C, in a triangle PQR, the PQ is equal to QR and is equal to PR. Is the triangle is PQR and name PQR, all sides are 5 centimeter. The all sides are equal. It's called the triangle is this type triangle, equilateral triangle. The name of triangle is equilateral triangles. Okay, next is question D. If a triangle DEF and one angle is a 90, is the one angle is a 90, this type of diagram, you know, draw the diagram, but I am only explained by the diagram. Then the 90 angle is the angle of D, the join the point is the EF. This is the angle of 90. It's called the which type? Right angle triangles. Right angle triangle. Okay, the right angle triangle. Next is XYZ. Is a triangle name is XYZ and with the angle of Y is a 90. Angle of Y is a 90. Okay, and two sides are equal. Is the two sides are equal, it's mean this is the side of XY and YZ. This is the Y is the angle of 90. This is the Z and X. Join the line. This side and this side are equal and 190 angles. That in the triangle is 190 angle and two sides are equal. The name of triangle is isoscalar right angle triangle. Okay, the name of triangle is isoscale right angle triangles. And last is a triangle is LMN. Last triangle is a LMN and the angle is 30, 70 and 90. They all three angles is less than all three angles is less than 90. Less than 90, its the name is this type accurate angle triangle. Okay. Now question number second in exercise 5.6, match the columns, and the first column is a in first column is given the property of the triangles, and second column will give you the name of the triangles. The first is a three sides are equal length. A three sides are equal length is called the equilateral triangle. It means you join the A to E. Okay. Second is two sides are equal. Two sides are equal is a triangle, name is isosceles triangle. You write 2. Okay. And third is a all sides are different length. All sides are different length is a escalator triangles. This is the third is escalator triangles. Okay. And fourth, three accurate angles is the name of the angle. Three accurate angles, one right angles, one opposite angle. These are three angles. Three triangles is based on name of the triangles. Then the three accurate angles is called the three accurate angles is called the fourth is match the E, accurate angles. Okay. And fifth is one right angles. One right angles is right angle triangles. One right angle is called the right angle triangles. 6. One offset angles. One offset angles is the offset angles. That is the C. C is a join the 6. Okay. And last will be one right angles with the two side of equal. One right angles means a name of right angle triangles, and two sides are equal, it's the isosceles triangle. The name of the isosceles triangle right angle triangle. This is the name of 7. Okay, to join the 7.2 B. The third, name each of the following triangles in two different way. Two different way means first you write the name of based on side, and second name is based on triangles. Okay, angles. Okay, there are 6 triangles are given, and proper side will be already given and sign on given the triangles. Okay, that first is a you show the 5, 5 and 8. Okay, and all angles are below 90. So first name is the name is accurate angle triangle. Okay, and second name is based on side, two sides are equal, its name is isosceles triangle. Okay, now next here one angle is 90, the name is a right angle triangle. First name is a right angle triangle, first name, and second name depend on side 8, 15 and 17. The three sides are not equal, no any relation. This the different is name of scalar triangle. Name of scalar triangle. Okay. Next is again will be 190 angle. The name is first name is right angle triangle, and second name is two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. It's the same is here. Two sides are equal. The first diagram is the name of isoscalar. Which type? Isoscalar triangle. Okay, here a question, all sides are equal. All sides are equal means this is the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangles, and all angles are below 90. So this name is acute angle triangle. Okay, the acute angle triangle, this is the first name and this is the second name. Okay, and this is the angle of which type of angle? Greater than 90. So this is the name, first is a absolute angled triangle. First name is absolute angle triangles, and second is all sides are not equal. So this is the second name is which type of triangle? Scalar triangle. Okay, and this one is again will be one angle is more than 90, one angle is greater than 90. The name is, first name is absolute angle triangle, and second is two sides are equal. Two sides are equal means it's isoscalar triangle. Isoscalar triangle. Okay, so now you finish the exercise. Next day will be a new topic. Thank you.
Peace.